Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am in America. I'm in Las Vegas, and you know I had to take myself over to the interior shops. No matter how much of my best life that I was living, I found some interior shops here in America for you guys back home and just around the world to see what they're like. It's really loud, so I'm hoping that you can hear me, but the first place that we are at today is Pottery Barn. I've watched so many US YouTubers and influencers go and do their home interior shopping here. It looks amazing. It's actually so hot, I'm getting a sweaty upper lip. So let's go inside and check them out, because I don't think I'm going to last out here much longer. It is melting. I'm excited. Okay, so we went in with full intention of like doing this whole vlog style, but Rob was gonna film me going around the shop so that you could kind of like see my reaction. Like I wanted to talk through the pieces. Anyway, I think they were put off by the camera, which I get because in England you're not really allowed to film as well, but I know so many US YouTubers that go in and film like full videos all the time with their cameras. I don't know. So anyway, we really tried to sneakily get some footage. I don't know how good it was. Next up is Home Goods and TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx is meant to be like TK Maxx and Home Goods is like Home Sense. So I think we're gonna know kind of what to expect, but let's have a look anyway. It's so similar to the UK, so similar. They've just got loads of baskets. I want to see different stuff. Ooh, this is different. Oh, that's pretty cool. I don't think we could make it, but it is cool. Oh, this has got a marble top. This is nice. That's really cute. Oh, look at these. What are they called? Lazy boys. Nice. $100 for that huge mirror. They always have nice mirrors in America, I think. Very, very nice. I like it. I mean, we could make this, but this one's very cute. It's got like texture on it. Oh my god, I think they're in sale. $250 down to $120. They're pretty. They're two different ones though. This one's got arms and this one hasn't. There's another one there. They're really nice. These are so nice. See, this is what I meant when I said I want different stuff, because in the UK we don't get stuff like this. They're huge. Everything in America is massive. Everything's just oversized. Because their houses are so big, they need their furniture to be big. Our homes in the UK aren't this big. But like, don't you think all the furniture is like twice the size? Like, look at this chair. Watch where my head is compared to...
It's literally bigger than you.
Like, our chairs come to here in the UK. Oh.
Watch your glasses.
Yeah, they're rugs. Look at the size of the rugs. I feel like you've got to order these custom in the UK if you want them that big. Oh, this is nice. Yeah, I'm actually enjoying the stuff here. It's like actually different. $300. Like, you see the design, it's so different. And then this one, love the handles on this, $300. And this console table with the two either side tables. Everything feels really good quality. So, oh, look at this. Oh look, you put the chairs in there. Like this. That's so good for a small living space. And that's so pretty. How much is that? 500 down to 350, 380. I love that wood. Oh, that is so nice. I'm in heaven. That's so nice. And that chair, that's a Tommy Hilfiger chair.
Oh, yeah, is that the one that you made?
Yeah, just painted it black. 200. This is the thing, TK Maxx and Home Goods and Home Sense, you get such nice stuff but for so cheap. So all of this stuff, had we have been in Pottery Barn just now, things like this would have been like $1,000, $2,000. It's crazy. So we're gonna jump in the Uber and we're gonna head to Crate and Barrel next. So let's go. I think it's gonna be very similar stuff. Pricey-ish, like mid-range, not really pricey, but let's go see what they've got.
Alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, might break a backbone. Return of the Mac, the king is back though. Corvette and cash, I never lack those. She saw the stone, you know how that go. Fatality, my diamonds that cold. Versace trunks, I hit my backstroke. Knock on the door, she at the back, bro. All I really take is a little taste. Island girl, blue eyes with a little bass. Here for the thrill, I don't need a chaser. Wanna vibe at the getaway. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, I got the semi-four way. Don't step out the line like this a probate. You hit the line and try to locate. This for the time, got time for no day. One, too many, I'm going. Too crazy and I got bad ones and they ready. A good time, so now it's into it, we left that. Can't remember anything, but I know we got lit. Good times, live in the moment, feel like summertime. Obsessed with nature, not a world mine. The room is spinning, but I feel fine. Oh my. Chandelier, limousines. Really think I'm seeing things. Read the line in between. Yellow light, I gotta speed up. Get home to a cold shower. Need that pronto. Look like a rave at the condo. Heck of a night in Toronto. She said, boy, you in Morocco. Pearl white mention in the top gold. Fill up my cup with the pop, whoa. High off life in the spot, though. Running out the visa, really talking to a real life Mona Lisa. Jesus pieces hanging off the fleecer. So much going on, it's hard to focus on the features. I got too many, I'm going. Too crazy, and I got bad ones and they ready. A good time, so now it's into it, we left that. Can't remember anything, but I know we got lit. Good times, live in the moment, feel like summertime. Obsessed with nature, not a world mine. The room is spinning, but I feel fine. Oh my.
So easy to make yourself. Old cabinet, cover it in this burlap material, Anthony handles and some wood. Final shop that we're going to head to, interior wise, I think is West Elm. I'm absolutely dying of heat now, so I just want to get inside. Let's go. Actually have a West Elm in the UK, which I have been to in London. I don't know how many they have, but we have got some. It is pretty similar stuff. I think it originates from from America, so I've seen it all kind of before, but it's still really beautiful. If you're from the UK and you do want to see one, they have one in Westfield, Shepherd's Bush area, I think. leave me a comment, and remember to subscribe. We will do some more like this, but probably in the UK. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.